Hi students, how are you all of you? Dear student, before 1, 2, 3, 4 lessons I have uploaded on my channel and you all are very warmly welcome on this. Dear student, see, here in this video we are going to understand the lesson number 5 and the name of the lesson is the 12 month. Yes, what is the name of the lesson? The 12 month. Yes. See, this lesson is quite big, so I will make three parts of this lesson, and at the fourth part of this lesson, there will be the exercise of this lesson. You will get all the question and answers there. Yes, let's start. Are you ready? Are you agree? See, once upon a time, in a faraway country, there lived a mother who had two daughters. See, once upon a time, when the story starts, we says that once upon a time at one time at far away country, they didn't mention the name of the country here. In that country there lived a mother. One mother was there and she had how many daughters? Two daughters. She had two daughters. Once was her own child, the other was her stepdaughter, and two daughters she had. One was her own and one was the stepdaughter. Means see, husband's another wife's daughter, we can say. She was very fond of her own daughter, and that mother, she only liked her own daughter. She was not liking the another, she, but she hated means she was not liking another daughter. She was the stepdaughter. The only reason was the Marukala, the stepdaughter. She was prettier than her own daughter Holena. See, this Marukala, she was the stepdaughter of her, and she was prettier than her own daughter Holena. See, she was very much beautiful, and that mother's her own daughter was Holona. She was not that much beautiful like Marukala. She was the stepdaughter. The gentle-hearted Marukala did not know how beautiful she was, and so she could never make out why her mother was always so cross with her. See, this Marukala, she was very much gentle-hearted, and she did not know that how beautiful she was. Yes, she did not know that how much beautiful she was, and her mother, so she could not make over her. She was not doing any kind of makeup on her. But her mother, she was always cross with her because she was not liking her stepdaughter, and she only likes her own daughter Holina. Yes, see, Marukala had to do all the housework, and this Marukala, she is the stepdaughter of her. She was doing all the work of her house, tidying up the cottage. She work they have given. Which work she used to do? She used to tidying up the cottage, cooking, washing, spinning, weaving, sewing. These all the kinds of work this Marukala she has to do. She liked work and she did it all without word of complaint, while Helena spent the time adorning herself and lazing about. See, all the housework she was doing very happily, and she was like to do all the housework, and she was not giving any chance to anyone to complain against her. And instead, that another sister of her, Helena, what she used to do, she was not doing any work of the home. She was spending her time for making over her in the makeup. Yes, adorning herself and lazing about. See, even then, Helena and her mother scolded and rated and abused Marukala every day. Even though Marukala, she was very much nice, she was doing all the work without any complaint. Then also, the stepmother of her mother and the Helena, her sister, they used to scolded and rated. See, they used to abuse her, they used to beat her, they used to scolded on her every day. They invite her so much that one day they decided to throw her out in the freezing cold to get rid of her. And see, these both mother and daughter, what they have decided, they were very much fed up of this Marukala. They have decided that they will throw her where in the freezing. See, freezing means there is too much ice. In this ice, they will throw, so they will get rid of her. Then they thought they will go, they will not come to home again if we throw her in the cold. Yes. Now see what work they have told. Go Marukala and get me some violets from the forest. I want to wear them and to smell them, said Helena. Helena was her sister. She told that go in the forest, and outside there was very much cold that none of can go there to bring anyone. Even none of can go out of the home. That much cold was there, and in this cold that Helena, her sister, she was bad sister, we can say. She told to Moricula, go and bring some violets, flowers. That flower I want to wear and I want to smell those flowers, said Helena. But my dear sister, it is impossible to find violets in the snow, said poor Moricula. Moricula was poor and she is telling it is not possible. My dear sister, you are telling me to bring some violets from the forest, but it is impossible. Yes, where will I go? Where will I get these violets in the snow? There is a lots of snow, lots of ice. In this ice, where will I get violets? Now she got very much angry. She is telling, how dare you argue when I tell you to do something? Helena is telling. Now Helena got angry. She is telling, how you can tell that? How you can argue with me if I am telling you one work? Off you go at once, and if you don't bring me violets from the forest, I will kill you, said Helena threateningly. See, Helena is telling, how dare you to tell that no to me if I am telling you one word, and you have to go out of the home for bringing me violets, otherwise I will kill you. If you don't bring violets for me, I will kill you. Who tell this? Helena threateningly. She was very much angry. Yes. Then the stepmother caught hold of Marukala, and stepmother what she had done? She has caught Marukala, hold her, turn her out of the door, and she has rushed. She pulled her out of the door and slammed it to after her, and she has slammed at her. Marukala went into the forest, wiping bitterly. See, Marukala, she was wiping. Uh, she was feeling very much cold. The snow lay deep, and there wasn't human footprint to be seen. And there was a snow, no, very deep. Yes, and she went out of the home for bringing the violets, and even she cannot see any footprint of the human. Yes. Maricula wandered about for a long time, turned by hunger and trembling with cold. See, there was too much ice, snow outside, and Marukala, she was searching for the violets. Even she was very much hungry. Her sister and mother, they did not give her any food to eat. Yes, and she was trembling with the cold. She was feeling very much cold. See how bad this mother and sister. Now, see, at last she saw a light in the distance, and she was wondering at far distance she had saw a light. She went towards the glow which came from the top of mountain, and it was at the top of mountain, the little light. She went there, she went towards. A big fire was burning there, and round the fire were 12 stones with 12 men sitting on them. And she has seen this fire at the top of the mountain. She went there nearby it, and what she has seen, dear student, 12 stones, and on these 12 stone 12 men were sitting. Three of them had snow white beard, and three men they had snow white beard, means they were quite old. There were not so old, and three men they were not so old, and three were still younger. See, three they were too much old, three they were not means much old, and three people they were very much younger. The three youngest, and three were the youngest, yes, over all 12, were the handsomest of them all, and those three were the youngest, they were very much handsomest of them all. They were not speaking, but all sitting silent. See, they were not speaking, but they all sitting silent. These 12 men were the 12 months. And dear student, who are they? These 12 months are the 12 men are the 12 months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. These 12 months means these 12 men were there. Great January. January it's come the first. So it was the great, highest of all. His hair and beard were as white as snow. And how was the beard and hair of it? It was as white as snow. And in his hand he held a club, and the club was in his hand. Yes. Marukala was frightened. She stood still for a time in terror, but growing bolder, she went up to them and said, "Please, kind sir, let me warm up my hands at your fire." She was frightened, she got afraid, and she stood still for a time in terror. And she was, with afraid, she still for a time, but growing bolder, she was feeling very much cold. So she thought that let's go to them. So she went up to them and said, "Please, kind sir," very politely she asked to them that, "Let me warm my hands at your fire." What? Please allow me to warm my hands in your fire, because she was out of the house and there was very much snow. She got very much cold and she wanted to warm her hands. Great January nodded and asked her, "Why have you come here, my dear little girl? What are you looking for?" And January, he was the great, he asked and nodded, "Why have you come out of the home? Why have you come here?" January asked to Marukala. She told, even January asked, "What are you looking for?" Yes, she is telling now, "I am looking for violets," answered Marukala. And Marukala told that, "What I am searching? I am searching violets." "This is no time to be looking for violets, for everything is covered with snow." And January is telling, "Array, you came out there of the home for taking the violets, but this is not perfect time to take the violets." Yes, and everything is covered with, see here you can see these men are there, 12 men are sitting on the 12, yes or no? These three they have white beard and white hair. Yes, here is the Marukala and the fire is going here. Yes, in the picture you can observe. Understood? Now answered Great January. January told, "This is not perfect time to take violets and all, everything is covered with snow." "Yes, I know, but my sister Helena and my stepmother said that I must bring them some violets from the forest." See, so she is telling, Marukala is telling, "Yes, I know that you are telling, but my sister, she told what? She told me, and my stepmother, she also told me to bring some violets from the forest. And if I don't bring them, they will kill me. And if I don't take violets with me, what will they do? They will kill me. Tell the father, please tell me where I can find them." And she is pleasing to them, she is requesting to them, and yes or no? She is telling, please tell me, where will I get these violets? Great January stood up and went to one of the younger month. It was March. January stood up and he went to whom? Younger month. It was the March. Said, giving him the club, and he has given club in his hand. He said, brother, take the high seat. And he told, take the high seat. Yes, March took the high seat upon the stone and waved the club over the fire. And March, he has taken the high seat. What he has done? He has to wave the club on the fire. The fire blazed up. Yes, what had happened with the fire? The fire blazed up. The snow began to melt, and the snow was there. What had with the snow? It started melting. The trees began to bud, and the trees, yes or no, see, in the March, the trees, they began to bud, and the ground was at once covered with the grass. And see, ground, what had with the ground? Ground was also covered with the grass. It was springtime. See, in the March, it is the springtime, and they have explained when the March come, what is the situation of environment. They would like to tell here in this paragraph. The violets began to bloom among their little leaves, and see, because of the birds were there, March, and the violets, it has started blooming. This violet flower, it's coming after March, April. Yes. See, and before Morikala had time to think, so many of them had sprung up that they looked like a blue cloth spread out on the ground. And before thinking, in a blink of time, this all the flower of violets, they have sprung, and see, it was looking like the blue cloth, it is spread on the ground, because the flower color is what, dear student? It's the blue. See, up to here at page number 9, we have finished the first part of this lesson, and in the next video we shall continue with the second part. Yes, if you like it, please comment, dear students, and please subscribe this channel. Thank you.